Okay, now it's your turn to have a go. Let's say you want to buy this tie for your dad. It costs this much here. There's a special offer on 23% off. So how much do you need to pay to buy this tie? So press pause and have a go. Remember to draw the picture. Okay, sorry. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so to draw this diagram here, basically it's 0, 0, one whole thing here. Um, uh, your original price, your whole amount would be this. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's a decimal, it still works. Okay, 50% is around here, 25% here, so 23% is probably around here. Okay, so 23% is probably around here. Okay, so basically move this up here. So 23% would go into thin air. So this is the amount that you had to pay. Okay, this bit here goes into thin air. You don't need to pay for that. You only need to pay. Hang on. If 23% goes away, what's left would be at the 0.77 level. Okay, so if 23% goes away, you have 77% left. So this level here would be 0.77. So it's a matter of getting this times this. That would give us this. Okay, so at this level here, well, just get a calculator and do it. And clear. 0.77 times the original, which is 4.78 equals 368 3.68. So that's how much you need to pay for the tie. Remember that other formula where it's part divided by whole. Well, if you look in reverse, if you get the part here is 3.68. Let's divide it by the original 4.78. If you try that, hang on, let me just show you something. 3.68 divided by 4.78 equals. Can you see that it's near the 77% level? So my point is, earlier we didn't know this figure here, so we would use the 0.77 to get to here. And remember that other formula, parts divided by whole. Now that we know this is 3.68, if pretend you didn't know this, okay, you can actually find out this figure by getting parts. This is the part here divided by the whole here, which is here. That will give you this figure here, which is roughly 0.77. Okay. All right. Next example here. You want to buy this groovy shirt here. It costs $14.83, and there's a special offer on 2/7 off. So remember what that means is cut it into 7 equal parts, blah 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 blah, whatever, and then remember the 2 parts you're getting off for free. So this goes into thin air, and what's left is what you had to pay. Okay, well, anyway, do what you have to do, draw the diagram, and work out how much you have to pay in order to buy this shirt. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so your diagram should look something like this. 0, 0. Your whole one thing would be 14.83. Now, 2/7. Well, let's split it into 7 equal parts. So hang on, 1 in the middle, 3 in here, and 3 over here. So that's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 parts. Now, two out of the 7 parts, you don't need to pay for these 2 bits. So this basically goes into thin air, but you do need to pay the rest over here. Okay, so this level here, okay, we could turn into a decimal, but we can just leave it as this. Wait there. 2 parts goes away. This level, remember, we're counting from the bottom up. This level should be 5/7. 5/7. because you've got 5 bits left. So basically 5 over 7. Remember, we don't care about this bit now. We only care about the 5 over 7 parts. So calculator, clear it. So get your whole amount, 14.83. Now let's split it into 7 equal parts. So divided by 7. Okay, now we're going to times 5 because we need 5 parts. So times 5 equals $10.59. 10.59. So this is how much you need to pay the shopkeeper in order to buy this shirt. Okay. Yeah, there are lots of ways of doing this. You could get this amount, but basically is this the original amount times 5 over 7. When you have a whole number, you times a fraction, it goes to the top. But the way it's okay, it will still work. Times it to the top and then divided by 7. But when I showed you earlier, I got you to get the whole amount, cut it into 7 equal parts, which is what we've done, and then times 5. It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. It will still work either way. Okay. All right. The next one. Okay, you want to buy this iPad here? It costs £426. You're going to get 10% off. So draw the diagram to represent this and how much will you need to pay. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so the diagram will look something like this. 0, 0, 0, sorry, 1. 1 here. 4, 2, 6. 50% mark is here roughly. So 10% is down here somewhere. Move this up here. Okay, move it up there. So basically this part here goes into thin air. Okay, you don't need to pay for this bit here. You only need to pay 0.90. That's 90%. You only need to pay 90% of the original because they're saying that the shop is saying that they're giving you 10% off. So you only need to pay 90% of this original thing. So your task is to find out this value here. Okay, at the 0.9 level. So calculator, clear it. So it's basically 0.9. Hang on, 0.9 times the original 426 equals 383.40. So that's how much you need to pay for the iPad when well, for this tablet when they've given you 10% off. Okay.